I just got a master chest key. I'm gonna open it. Hope, like, really hope it is good. Because master chest keys are really hard to get. Come on. Oh my. I just got a rare item. Hell pull axe. Sorry for the swearing, I guess. But, dude, this is rare. 67 damage. Shit. Yes, yes, yes. Because if I get 40 gems, which after this I'll have 30, and once I get 40, I can get 3 master chest keys, which will really help. They're bound, like, most likely they're gonna have something good. Most. You never know. Other people. Ooh. Look at helmet. Orders. Emoji keyboard sticker 6/3. But I need to get no, I'm scared. What dark later man? It's more fun, you can get better rare items. We have to do this stupid trick. Ooh, I love your sword. I love your what? Well, both of you got really cool weapons. Yours only does 21 damage. Looks so cool. That axe that he's on, it's like 105 damage. So much better than what I know. Right now. Are you serious? Oh! Stop saying stupid words. fine, but you just broke the text area. Now I can't see what I'm doing. Because you guys are idiots. Oh, I'm out of jump. Oh. La 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 la. La 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 la. Stop it, you stupid. I'm making a YouTube video right now. Oh, I got 186. Oh, come on. The other one. The best weapon in the game is 200 damage. It's like it's that axe, but it's purple. I don't know. Jeez, heal me, heal me, come on, come on, heal me, come on. Oh, you. Newbie, I'm not a newbie. Shut up. I am rookie. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna go hurt. I would love to get one of these things. I bet my sword is better than that. It's faster. Dude, mine is fast. This one does 17 damage. That's bad, but that's good. Watch this do 25. Nice. Looks so cool. Because this weapon, I want. It doesn't do as much damage. Okay. It's faster than mine. Because, what, right here, 43. 3 of those. And I'm... That one should be a Sinclair. Oh my god, he's so... Really? Turning a football game into this? That's stupid. It looks okay, but really? A city type building football game? Ooh, there's more gems. Okay, so this is survival token. Let's look at 100, which I'm really close to. I can get. Ooh, that would be awesome. Ooh, I need 18 more survival tokens, and then survival glasses gives you those coins. Put them in my inventory so I know how much I have. I can just take it. Fine. Let's do this. I don't need any resources. I don't care about that. I just need to get the last thing. And a little cheat is going all the way over to the corner, holding A, and then opening your inventory, and then closing your inventory, and you'll auto attack it, so you don't have to keep holding A. It's easier. It's faster for me. Not much of a cheat, just like newbie. But if I want to talk to people, oh, I can. Oh, it's next to. Oh my god. It might not need. Hold A. Open inventory. Close inventory. See? I'm not pressing a button. I'm not pressing it because obviously if I did I would stop. See? Press it and it stops. Hold it down. Open inventory, close inventory, and then it goes in it. Oh, that's awesome. Like, little cheat. Face that way. Stop shooting the other way. Start face the other way. You stupid bitch. I don't know what his name is. Mini ball. Boom. He heals me and attacks. 21 damage. Pretty good. I just don't like how he doesn't face the correct way. What, 18 more? No. Can't wait until I get 40 gems. Perfectly happy. See, look at that. One hit kill. Look at it. I'm awesome. I'm awesome. I'm awesome. I'm awesome. The game goes a lot faster if you have other people. Look at that. Dude. Look at all these herbs. So funny watching them just fall down. Blech. Ready to die? Boom! 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 You try to do that for the fun. Boink, boink, boink. Yeah! Lost a little bit of health from that. 2 damage. Oh no. I lost 2 damage. Two damage. Another lasagna. Sometime later I'm gonna do some drawing videos once I get the app installed. If you drawing videos, it's gonna be much easier for you guys. And I'm gonna get a drawing. I could probably sometimes take some pictures of my drawings and put a video of that. I'll show you one of my favorite drawings actually. It's a drawing of a one of those piranha plants from Mario, like a beastie monster, creepy version of it. It's spitting out a fireball with other Mario stuff around it. That's one of my favorite drawings that I've made. I could take a video of me looking at it. One of my favorite times in this game, I was playing with 3 other people. Their names were Lalito, Babyface, and Player 1079 with extra numbers. But those are the 3 people I was playing with. They're awesome. They were so funny. Me and Player and Lalito were sitting over here, and Babyface was at the town. We were sitting here doing this little cheat when you hold A, open your inventory, close the inventory. And we would just talk, and there was so many funny jokes. We kept making jokes. We were talking for an hour. We were up until like 3 o'clock in the morning. It was pretty fun. And then we had to go to bed next day, and from then, they've never played again. I tried getting in their matches. They never played. It kind of sucked. They were funny. It was fun to play with other people. Good thing. Did you just... Did he? Never mind. I saw something weird. I would like you guys to comment on some mobile games that you would like me to play. I could download them, try them out. I'm saving up. I'm saving up all my money to get a Google Play card so I can pay for games that you guys want me to play that cost money. Especially, I soon once I save up, I'm gonna get Terraria. So I know some of you don't like that game, but that's one of the best games. One of my favorite games. I can't play it because it costs $5, which is stupid. Xbox version costs a lot more than that. Which shouldn't. The Xbox, you have to pay a lot more money for the Xbox than you do for this. Like a 400 tower. See? Once the road token. Now I need 17 more. 117 left. And every like 3 or 4 rounds, new monsters will start spawning, and they're a lot stronger. They have more health. They do more damage. And my defense right now, I got the green face, which is obviously you already know Frankenstein's monster's face. A golden armor, which is one of the rare items, and I got this from a master chest. This is the golden shield. This I made an armor ring, 5 extra defense, and this heals me. And obviously you already saw, my monster heals me and does 21 damage. Good for when slimes are slow, as you can see. Just killed him. If you guys know, if anyone knew how to speed up a video, I would love to know how to do that. Because I just started making videos, and I would love if anyone could tell me how to do that, speed up my video. Because speed running this whole thing, it would be easier. Would love that. If anyone could do that, please. And how to add music to this thing, because it's not allowing me. It only allows me to add these songs that don't even have words, and which is kind of stupid. It won't even allow me to add dubstep, which is awesome. Love dubstep. And I know that's kind of stupid for me to say, but I don't care. I really don't care what you think. I love dubstep. And also, subscribe to one of my friends, Perfect Mistake. She's one of my friends from school. She does really good animations and drawings. You should subscribe to her. Okay. That'd be awesome if you guys could. She'd be happy. I could show her this video too. I was watching them just die. Yep. Oh. Oh. Lol. Boink. Yeah. Why is there so much herbs? Herbs, whatever they are. Not like herb, but herb. Those are made to get this helmet, which I'm wearing. Because you have to get a pretzel and you give it to Frankenstein's monster. It lets you into this area, which allows you to make bars, and then later on, if you do this quest, he'll give you his helmet. I'll show you what I'm talking about later. Second. Whoop. Sorry about the boat. There he is. Talking about I can just go and get. Oh yeah. Are you serious? I still have one of these things. Why is it so laggy right now? Look at it. I'm better than this. Easy. So I'm just gonna get that. I need those gold bars. There's some quests later on which I need to do. First, next quest is 10 iron bars, which I only have like what, 3, 4? 4. Okay. I need 10 of those. Just kidding. Okay, right now. Really? No. Okay, that's our video. Please like and subscribe. And if you could comment and give me some ideas on what to do, please do that. And see you guys next time.